fateful day, he met a bitch named Cat. She blew him away with her performative snatch. She kissed all his pain, it felt like gentle rain. Everything was sane until the demons racked her brain. He gave her all he had, the clothes off his back, the sea from his sack, as his world turned to black. So he threw back a shot, shot after shot. Next thing he knew, he ended on the block. Cell block 3, they saved it just for he'd been there before for some petty burglary. He was living in gloom 'cause his release was real soon, and he knew there was no room in the place he used to know. So he ended on the streets, and the streets were real mean, until he met Becky, and she let him stay for a little while for free. Everything was good, she had all the food, work was coming soon, but the rent was coming due. When he couldn't pay, she sent him on his way. He was doing more crime just to serve some time, so he had a place to lay. Since his time was short, he asked the warden, "Hey, please, can I stay?" The warden said, "No way, kid, you eat your own weight every single day, and the state ain't gonna pay, so you can have a place to stay." He was back on the streets, scrounging for meat, causing lots of beef. At least he had some slippers he stole from his friend Becky. Still to this day, he's loveless and Seagull Brained. Will his karma change? Not if his ways stay the same.